All right, let's see. We have audio and video. Great. So yesterday I put on some trades. I didn't really follow the rules. You know, sometimes you get those ideas and you want to try out things, and it's funny that when things don't work out, you learn stuff. And so yesterday I thought I'm gonna plot all the trades on the two symbols that I was making silly mistakes on. So not all the trades, but within the given time that I would trade them. And the time I would trade them is, look at the time down there, 15:30 or 8, or this is the CFD open, and now we're looking at NDX. It could be NQ, whatever, but so this is Nasdaq derivative, right? So market opens here. This is 1 minute chart, and I'm just gonna simply plot all. And so my ideas here, I'm using my direct price power signals, and this is my own concept, and it's from all the things that I have learned, and yeah, I'll just plot the trades. The rules are static. They're yeah. So let's just go on with it. Market opens here, price falls down. Great. We come here, we fall down, we create gap, we fall down. We don't close higher. And we would look for something here, and price is touching and creating eventually the green plus the red, right? And these two here is pending order short here. Okay. So it would be here, stop would be here, because this is the gap, it's the top of the gap, and whatever. And this is not yet proven. Small price power, right? So here, or if I'm blind, or if I'm silly, probably targeting down here. But anyway, so here, to make it worse, always make the examples worse when trying to find out stuff. So price pulls back down, comes back up, and creates all this wave. We have some gap here in price, gap here, and here this small pin pierces into price, and there really isn't much of R to talk, but this system uses points, so it doesn't really care too much about that. So if there was power, we would enter directly on it, but this is really weak, so there's a stop below sell stop, and so this cannot be the target. In this case, target would have to be here. So there's another short like this, and the stop would have to be here at least. And yeah, so there's I'm just measuring the points really, and just I don't want to see that across my screen. We go down, we come back up again, and so here is the gap. Here is a gap in price. Here we came to this. This is not yet proven, and we can use the same target as this. We just draw it out. Same really, and probably most likely hit that. And so here the gap comes. So these two is first reason to short, green plus red. Sell stop below, but it doesn't trigger. And this also, sell stop below, but doesn't trigger. We go higher, we go higher, we go higher. Green plus red, so we can sell stop here. And now with the red confirming this 1, 2, 3, we can now enter aggressive, because this is a power formation. Green, doji, red. So can enter there. Stop can be here, or here, or whatever, but above this. And we target same level, and both of them are hit at the same time. Excellent, great. So let's check what's the time at this point. So hours passed. Okay, so this I wouldn't trade it after 1800. Actually, I'm figuring out that this is quite tedious right now. So we go back, we pull back, we pull back now, and we switch power to up. Okay, so here switch power to up, here switch power. Okay, we come up to here, from here, small, we close below, we switch power here, from here, because this, right, boom, intra price action, right, yeah, really this one. But actually, you know what, yeah, that the switch is actually here, because the gap. And we have the pin. I'm just gonna leave all the lines because I don't want to make this clean. And the pin bar is quite aggressive, going into the gap and whatever. So cool for you. Previous power level. This is the power level here. This is where we had power. Because why? Let's remove some lines. So price falls down, price comes back up, price comes back down, and price now, when it comes down, closes within the pins. That means it created do we have the tool with the arrows? Maybe we don't. Okay, so price did this, down, up, down, and closed within the same level. That means this was strong, right? And we had a gap here. That's what we're seeing here. And so here I'm looking for shorts, and I'm targeting, well, this is kind of same, but this is next level, so I guess that is the target, right? Cool story, bro. Yeah. And so, and we come down, and here is a nice intra price switch, and we come up, we go even higher, so we have power from here, and this close down doesn't matter, and we close down. And so first, here's the gap, so pending order above doesn't trigger. Does this touch? Let's see. This will be difficult to see because it's probably different on many different platforms, right? So here is a filled order, probably. Here's probably a long position, like this, right? And here we are losing. And remember, this is only me plotting things that I would put on live, really. There's not much thinking about this. I can plot this like the very second it happens. But yeah. So this one fails. And I may even have a pending order above the red with the doji. I may even have a pending order here above, attempting to get filled. But, you know, we get stopped. And when they close below here, boom. We have switched power to the other side. And we go down, and we go up. And what is this? But what is this? Is this a switch? It's too fast for me to see, okay? Let's say it's too fast. Or not. Who knows? But the same as this, right? Difficult to see. So we are looking for shorts from this place. We had strength from here. Yeah, and that is 18. And where's the latest gap? From here. The latest gap is from there. So, and what's that line? Never mind. So here, 3 more bars, and we come here. So green, red, pending below. 1, 2, and 3, and we're done. And that's the NDX. And yeah, so this is the result then of plotting the trades of on this system. So and I do realize that I can make mistakes. A computer would not, but I find it quite difficult to make this mechanical, although it is very mechanical. You can clearly see that with 1, 2, 3, 4 winners, this was a good session for this system, and with one loser. And to be honest, if I was at the machine and if I had 3 winners in a row, I would definitely not keep going. Even with 2 winners in a row, I may elect to not keep going. And I may also do this, this was quite close. I might consider to move the stop to break even here and be targeting this at the same. And if let's say if I had the target here, these 2 positions, I wouldn't keep going trading here, because this is 3.2, this is 1.1. That's more than enough. Even 2 of these in a row, like over 2, are in like 10-15 minutes, and it does happen quite a lot. Yeah, I will have to do the DAX as well in a similar fashion, but this is taking too long. Yeah, that's it for now. That's me putting my ideas on the chart. If you enjoy me talking about this, like the video, and if you have questions about my philosophy here following the energy in price, I call it direct price action, DirektPA. Post your questions. That's it. And yeah, I'll see you in the market.